Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share another giveaway prize with you guys. This one right here is from Lauren over at Livin&Lovin with LaurenA. I will make sure to link her channel down below. I won this giveaway from a collab that they did, and the collab that was done was a complete makeup look using only items from the Dollar Tree. Guys, it was so much fun. I think there were probably 12 people that did it, either 11 or 12, and I was just enthralled. In fact, I've made so many Dollar Tree runs to go to the store and get makeup and stuff that I watched that it's not even funny. My makeup collection has grown significantly since watching that collaboration. So if you didn't have a chance to go watch it, you might want to check it out because there are some fantastic ideas. So real quick before we get started, number one, if you hear noise in the background, my dog really likes to be with me when I record. So I decided I was going to give him a shot. He is chewing on his rubber chicken right now. He's already got the squeaker out, so it shouldn't be too bad. But if you hear something in the background, it's him. In fact, here he comes. Ace, lay down, puppy. Lay down. Yeah, so anyways, Ace wanted to record with us. If it gets too disruptive, then we'll go ahead and put him out in the hallway with Steve. But Ace, over here, lay down. Down. Hi. Yes. Down. No, I'm not playing chicken. He also gets the bark box every month. So whenever he watches me open a box, he thinks it's for him. And he's been known to like run up and grab stuff out of my hands because he just knows it's his bark box. So I don't think we're going to have that issue. But just in case, there's my disclaimer. Also, before we get started, if you guys haven't already, if you'll give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps to let YouTube know that you guys enjoy my content. It encourages them to promote our videos just a little bit more so we can grow our YouTube family. Guys, we are this close to 800 subscribers, and I tell you what, I have a fantastic giveaway planned for you guys. I keep adding stuff to the box, and it's gonna be a fun one. So if you are not already subscribed, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. And if you know anybody who might enjoy this channel, I do a lot of WW weight loss content. I do subscription box unboxings, cook with me's, day in a life, or what I eat in a day, all kinds of shopping hauls. Guys, I have a lot of fun on this channel. You never know what you're going to find, but it's always good for a smile or a laugh. So, if you would enjoy that or you know somebody else who might, please hit that subscribe button down in the corner and share with your friends. We're a friendly family. We can make it work. Anyways, I'm rambling and here comes Ace again. So let's go ahead and get started on unpacking this giveaway. Ace, lay down. This is the envelope that Lauren sent me. It is packed to the gills. And I'm just going to start pulling stuff off the top. Oh, this is pretty. So what we have is makeup stick in the color Pink Satin. It is a 3-in-1 makeup stick. It's lipstick, blush, and eyeshadow. And I can see how that would work. Look at that color, guys. And this is by LA Colors. Again, from the Dollar Tree. I'm telling you guys, Dollar Tree has got some awesome stuff. Next, we have All Matte Up. It's a Nourishing Lip Cream with coconut and hemp oil. It says new, and this is in the color Paradise. Wowzers, look at that color. And look at the packaging, guys. Is that not cute? I love it. Okay, oh, I've never seen this one. Liquid eyeshadow, metallic glowing eyes. This is in the color Wink. Ta-da! I have used their liquid eyeshadow before, guys, and I'll tell you what, they last for a long time. I'm not going to say that with every single thing I open. Just know that everything I show you, I'm thinking in the back of my head, Dollar Tree has all kinds of awesome stuff. You're going to be surprised. Here I have a bronzer by LA Colors. This is in the color Bronzed Beauty. Let me see if I can get that without the glare. There you go. How pretty is that? It's got some nice warm tones to it. Then we've got some Very Black Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes Mascara with clean definition. And then, of course, you know, my son has to start making noise too. So if you hear a weird 15-year-old teenager screaming and shouting, it's him down in the basement right below us playing games. Woo-hoo. Next, I have a crease brush by Wet n Wild. Ace, you're hitting the light. Watch what you're doing, sir. Ooh, then we have a 6-color eyeshadow palette. This is called Night Out. Look at those blues and pinks and then the neutral colors. I don't know how to do it, but I have a feeling this would be really good for my first smoky eye. Should Chaos Jen do a smoky eye look with you? I don't know how, but I could YouTube it and do it. All right, next we have pressed powder. This is in the color beige, and then it has a puff applicator with it, and it is by LA Colors. Oh, geez, I'm sorry, I'm gonna blind it. And it is by LA Colors. There's that color. Next, we have an eyeliner pencil, and it is in the color coffee. And it's got, I don't know what that is. Is that, it's got like a little screw thing on the side of it. Is that to sharpen it? I don't want to open it yet because I've got some eyeliner that I'm using. It says it's a brightening eyeliner pencil. It's by e.l.f. And then there's the color. If you guys know what this is for, let me know. Next, we've got some auto eyeliner pencil. This is black, and it is smudge proof by LA Colors. Ooh. We've got some hand cream, which is chamomile cucumber. It is a 2-pack set. I bet that smells good. That's a pretty box, too. Okay, then we've got some really cute socks, guys. What are these? Are these? Oh, they're pupper dogs. Look, some puppies. Those are adorable, and they're little ankle socks. How cute. 2 pairs. These socks are nice and stretchy and soft. And here comes Ace because he knows they're for him. Really? You want to chew on my hand? Oh, no. All right. Let's dig in. Now we have a Shape and Stay eyebrow pencil by e.l.f. I've used this one before. It's just like a wax, but it's in a pencil form. So all you have to do is go over your brows with it, and it holds your brows in place all day long. For $1, I couldn't hold it in. I could. Now we have a highlighter by LA Colors. This is called Glow Time. Look how big the package is for it. It's huge. That's gonna last forever. Oh, I think we have more socks. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I might have to give these to my sister-in-law. Hedgehogs. Oh my goodness. And then here's the second pair. And these are fashion socks by Beverly Hills Polo Club. Those are so stinking cute. Lauren, I can't thank you enough for all this stuff. You have spoiled me rotten, and there's still more. Okay. Now we have a Doodle Journal. This is cute. Look at that. And what it is it's got a blank page on this side to color or draw a picture, and then you can journal over on this side. I don't know if I want to share this with Ava. I kind of feel selfish not, but I could use it too. Guys, I have to show you our dog. Let me see if I can get a video of him without messing too much up. Hi, Ace. Showing everybody your chicken. Oh, I know I see you. Hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, yes, I know. Go. No, we're not playing yet. I wanted to show everybody your Nancy. Go lay down and get your Nancy. Hi, Ace. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Sorry, we're going to have a wrestle here. Okay, okay, okay. Look. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. No, lay down. He keeps putting this in my lap, and he knows I'm going to throw it for him. I'm sorry, guys. He really wanted to help. Down. We had to let Ace go. He was too much to handle. This is the embracing chaos that I'm talking about. We still have more. I'm so sorry, guys. Every time I come in here to record, he's always begging to come in. So I figured I have one simple thing to do. I just have to unbox a really fun package. How stressed and cranky can I get? Apparently enough, so he went out. Okay. Now we have some lipstick by e.l.f. This is in the color Sociable. Very, very pretty color. And I love e.l.f. products. Next we have an eyeshadow palette. This is a 12 color eyeshadow palette called Urban, and it's by LA Colors. Look at those bright colors. Oh man, I love that color. I love it. Did I say I love it? Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Thank you, Lauren. And then we have one last thing. This is a silicone makeup sponge. I didn't see anybody use these, I don't believe, in the collab, but I did watch one YouTuber use this, and at first she was like, how does it work? You just slap it on, but then she started like rubbing it in, and her foundation and her foundation came out so smooth and so even. She went out and bought a ton more of these just to share with her YouTube friends. So I'm really excited to have this for sure. And I kind of have to rearrange my camera. Hang on. Okay. Yeah. Or Hurricane Ace hit. So anyways, guys, that is everything that I got in my giveaway from Lauren over at Livin&Lovin with LaurenA. Lauren, thank you so very much again for sending me all of these fantastic prizes. I am so excited to have them, and I cannot wait to get into them. You guys are going to be seeing some awesome colors here most likely in the next few videos. So guys, again, if you have not already seen her channel, it is linked down in the description, so please make sure you go check it out. Real quick before I let you go, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, any questions down below, guys. I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.